everyone, it's Wayne here from Baza Bros. And in this video, we're gonna show you what to do when your chair cover looks ugly on your old chair like that. So as you can see, it's a bonded type leather cover originally. All faded and flaking. So every chair is gonna be different. What I'm gonna do is try to find a way to remove the frame from the chair, like so. 1, 2 bolts holding that frame to the chair. Wiggle, comes off really easily, and then you go ahead and proceed to remove the cover. Again, it's going to be different for many chairs, but there is a way to take it off. You can cut it off, rip it off. This one I don't care if I ruin because I'm just going to toss it in the garbage. Lots of flakes coming off. And here you have the inner part, the inner cushion, without the old fabric. And what you're going to do is just place the cover on. I'll do this quickly. And there you have the final product. It's not perfect, but it's way better than before. You can just work these little seams here to straighten them out. But now it's good for selling for cheap on Facebook Marketplace, or even just giving away more proudly. Baza Bros.